Okay, so all the pieces are extruded. Now I am going to put them together. So I'm going to start by putting the nose in the beard. I'm just using some distilled water and painting it inside the nose groove. And then I will take the nose, just kind of lay it in there. Oh, so we have the beard and the nose, part one. Okay, now I think I'm going to add the feet to the body, and then add the hat to the beard, and then add the hat and beard to the rest of the body, I think. So I'm going to flip this over. So that's his body, and his feet are going to go, so the feet aren't quite the same shape. Now it's so small, I really don't think it will matter if I mess up which foot goes on which. But when I did do this, this was his left and this was his right. So in theory, if this is, I'm flipping this over, then his right goes here and his left goes here. Again, this is such a small version. Like, I have the large version, where I think it will make more of a difference. But since this is the mini, I honestly don't think it will matter if I mess up which foot goes on which side. So. Can flip that back over. So can you see? There are his feet. I think I'm going to put the beard in. So the beard has to go in a specific way as well. Again, it's not a mirror image. So just so that's the way it's going to go in. Let me just move that aside. More distilled water. So I would definitely put the hat on last, because now with this being flat, it allows me to actually get this in place better. If I had the hat on, I'd have a harder time getting this beard in without squishing the hat in some way, shape, or form. So, okay. You do have to be careful. The feet shift a little because it's still a little wet. So don't push too hard, because again, you don't want to flatten those. But yeah, that works. Okay, so we just need his hat. Oh my gosh, this is tiny. It's such a small one. Okay, so now his hat will go on. I don't know if it matters. I think we can make it work either way. So. Cracks me up. Ah, it's so cute. And I'm gonna paint water in here as opposed to on him, because I think that will help me not get water where I don't need it, and give me a little bit more of an area to grip because it won't be wet and slippery. Okay, so now I'm just going to place his hat. Gently push, but not push too hard. My gosh, guys. This is cracking me up. I've wanted to make a gnome for basically since I started making disc, but at Christmas time it wasn't going to happen. And I was still learning the program in the ins and outs. And then after that, I had too many other things to get done. And it just didn't happen. And now finally, I am getting my gnome. He's a tiny dude. Oh my gosh! How cute is that? I am like in love. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna make this in the bigger size too. But here's the mini version. So yeah, oh my word. It's just too cute.